Did you know a vintage typewriter could predict death with terrifying accuracy? Sarah worked from home in a quiet house she inherited from her grandmother, along with a beautiful 1940s Royal typewriter. She kept it on her desk as decoration, a reminder of family history. But one morning, she found fresh pages beside it, typed with names and addresses of complete strangers. Night after night, the typewriter activated on its own, producing more lists. Sarah researched every name online and found something chilling. Every single person had died in car crashes on the highway right outside her house decades ago. She discovered the typewriter once belonged to the county coroner who lived there before her grandmother. He had documented every accident victim for 20 years. Then one night, Sarah heard the familiar clicking and found her own name typed on fresh paper, with her address and tomorrow's date. The typewriter had never been wrong before. She never made it to work the next morning.